So, if you're a young person and you're currently looking for better job opportunities or even more profitable earning opportunities, the first question you need to answer is this: how much do you want to make? How much do you want to make? And this is something you have to answer even before you start looking out for opportunities or what to even learn. Because a lot of mistakes I've seen you guys make is that you have already started something. Maybe you saw that people are making money from this, people are posting credit alert from this, and you now dropped into it. You feel like that is where the money is, and over time you realize that this is not really what you are thinking it is, and by this time it's already too late, but you now feel stuck, right? So, and if you are really, or rather if you're still in school, this is your best time to design your work-life reality before you even get into the workforce fully, because life is not really as fair as you think. And this is also why most of you still struggle to make anything tangible online, because you just wanted to make money. You never had any clear roadmap for your income. That's why you get roped into several slave skills that promise to pay the bills without any business model handed to you. So, how much do you want to make? Do you want to make 5 million, 20 million, 50 million, or 100 million? So, that's the first question. The second question is, when do you want to make this money? When do you want to make it? Do you want to make it next month? Do you want to make it next year, next 5 years, or next 50 years? This is important because that will help you determine the exact vehicle you want to use, right? Because most of the online skills that are advertised to you cannot make you any reasonable amount of money like that, except you're giving certain business models that can scale over time. And this is why I came up with digital income roadmap. Now, digital income roadmap is not a course, it is not a masterclass or anything you've seen before. It's an expository session. It's a 4-day expository session. We are actually going to be having 4 live sessions, and you have opportunity to ask questions on anything you want, on your confusion or anything you want to get clarity on. So this is not for any particular skill niche or something like that, because we have been asking, is it for graphic designers? No, it is for anybody who wants to understand online earning for what it is, different roadmap or a roadmap you can use to navigate your way, and different business models that you can execute or you can use for every skill that you're doing, or for every skill that you want to start, and more profitable opportunities or skill sets that you need to have if you want to really make tangible money here. Because it's not just about learning a particular skill and making money from it. There's certain skill sets that you need, and this is an opportunity for you to get them, know them, and see how to start and how to scale anything that you're doing. This is not something that I'm going to be running, like it's not a batch classes or something like that. This is the only time I'm doing it. I've not done it before and I'm not doing it again. So if you want to get into this, if you really you are serious for the first time, you're serious about making money online, understanding the roadmap, how to start it, right? A lot of persons start and they don't know how to scale it. A lot of persons don't even know where to start in the first place. Wherever you are, if you want to get into this session, just send me a DM with the keyword roadmap, and I'm going to send you the details. And to get in is just $1. You need just $1. $1 is roughly around 1,500 or thereabouts, right? So with just $1, you get access to this, to the full training, and all the session will be recorded and sent to you in case you miss anything. So send the DM with the keyword roadmap to get in right away.